Alright, so we're going to paint a beautiful scenery from this canvas. This is a DIY canvas which is handmade, and the thing you can see, it's just the date palm tree leaves. So from the leaf we cut into pieces into this rectangular shape, put the borders, and the borders are made with bamboo slices. You can see, have a close look, short bamboo pieces, and the canvas is made. Now I'm going to put the color. Let's put a separation point, putting the black color here. You can see, okay, to the horizon. So this is the differentiations between the land and the sea. Okay, so I'm going to put another the black color here, just to make a island. So let's have an island here. All right, all right. And we're going to put a tree on top. As you know, the texture, it's not a plain texture, so the drawing style will be little bit different. So you cannot have a plain texture or plain surface. So the brush strokes you cannot put like the same as an ordinary canvas. As you know, this is a DIY canvas, so uh, the strokes I'm putting in a different way. It's like dripping the uh, points and the paint drops. So you can see the grasses at the bottom, and the pre-reflections over the water, mhm, because the sound reflections. Okay, now I'm taking a smaller brush and just putting the leaves for the taller trees here. The leaves looking like this. Okay, so solid one here. Another solid leaves you can see on top, like the date palm tree. So later we're going to make it visually clear so that you can easily understand the pictures and the presentations. So after that we're going to put some shades and shadow. All right, shades and shadow here. Okay, so the tree is done. Now I'm going to put the boat, which is just within the island. And you can see the reflections of the boat on the water, and it is just settled at the ground. All right, and the mountain, you can see the visuality of the mountains in a far distance. Two mountains. Okay, awesome. And the lines are like this. So it's starting from one side and just finishing on the other side. Okay, and the reflections. Okay, the tree, it's getting clear. All right, as you know, this is a DIY handmade canvas. So the surface here, it's not uh, plain surface because it's a date palm tree leaves, and for the leaves, you know, the surface is little different than the traditional canvas, but each type of canvas has its own flavor. Mm-hmm. You can see the reflections. Okay, now we're going to make it visually colorful. Then just putting the white color to make the presentations clear. Mhm. All right, for the sun, we're just putting the color here. Mhm. The bigger, it's like a circle, so we're trying to draw the circle here. All right. Let's put little bit orange color. Okay, you can have orange shadow to the water. All right, and around the border we're just putting the white color. Okay, some borders you can see in these lines. Okay, so this is the separation points from the land and the scenery in a far distance. All right, the mountains are visible right now. It's a snowfall mountain, so you can see the presence of the snows on the top. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. So on the right side, you're going to see the shadows. Now we're going to do the details for the next one. Mm-hmm. All right. Some details on the tops and rest of the others are on the side. Okay, so the reflections you can see over the water, it's on the other side. Now the details for the boat is going to be done. Let's follow the boat. Mm-hmm.